Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install a module on a website that uses a single sales channel. Let's dive in. Before installing a module, make sure your website is already connected to the App Shop. If the connection has not been configured yet, please refer to the Connecting to App Shop guide first. Go to App Shop and open the Store tab. Locate the module you want to install. You can browse the available modules or use the search function to find a specific one. Once you find the required module, click Install. Next, you'll be asked to select the sales channel for the installation. Choose your sales channel from the list. Alternatively, you can select the option to install the module on all sales channels. Since this website has only one sales channel, both options will produce the same result. Click Continue Installation to proceed. The installation process will now begin. Once completed, a success page will appear confirming that the module has been installed successfully. To continue with the module setup, click Check Settings for the required platform. Alternatively, you can configure it manually by following the instructions below. To verify that the module was installed correctly, go to Modules, select Payment, and open the Online tab. On the page that opens, locate Authorize.net except Hosted and select it. Open the configuration page by double-clicking on the item or by clicking the Edit button. You can now configure the module according to your business requirements. That's it. You've successfully installed a module on a website with a single sales channel and are ready to configure its settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.